I have another free plugin to show you. Ample Sound have just released the latest version of their free bass guitar VST. It's called the Ample Bass P Lite. So this is a massive upgrade from the previous version. They're using their brand new Ample Bass Sound engine thingy. Now, according to the spiel, it's much more efficient, much more stable, and now even supports drop tuning. So with the bottom string here, we can tune that down to D. Lovely. Now you get all the nice things you need for recording. You get all the noises. Nice. And you also get, with these keys here, really difficult to emulate if you're not a bass guitarist, that kind of pedal sound, because it's just too attacky. So with these two keys here, you can... Comes with a wealth of presets. I won't go through all of this. I'm not going to take up too much of time. This is, again, free, so go and get it yourself and have a play around. Key switches here. We can do a bit of string muting. Nice. But this is the default patch. Really, really lovely warm sound. Also now you get Riffer 4. Now this is a dedicated MIDI editor for plucked strings. So it's very clever. It won't let you put in notes that you can't physically do on a real bass guitar. So you can create really authentic sounding loops and things in the Riffer. You also now get Tab Reader 4. So you can import your guitar profiles and all that malarkey. And a B15R style amp, all completely free. And there's a wealth of presets in the amp section too, all different kind of EQ settings and all that kind of stuff. Sounds so nice. You're getting reverb, delay, EQ and a compressor, and I think just for free, it is a cracking little workhorse. You can use this in all your tracks. And I think it rivals some of the paid stuff, to be honest. Now, because it's the free version, you can't get everything. So this is just like a cut back sample set. I think it's around about 10% of the paid for instrument, but listen to it like it is just now. Inside a track, I don't think even a blind man running for a bus would hear the difference. See you in the next one.